everyone. Today, we are going to simulate an experiment. How to use the fuel level sensor to detect the tank level. Use a mineral water bottle to simulate the tank, and the water in the mineral water bottle simulates the oil. The fuel level sensor is connected to the device, and the sensor reads the tank level. The device uploads the read information to the server. The platform can receive the reported data, and the mobile phone can be used for debugging and can also see the data. Customers can better obtain the fuel tank data and reduce fuel thefts. Thank you for your watching.